Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to use a bottle in a washing machine. This advice is very simple, and if you hear it for the first time now, I am sure you will want to do the same. The closed bottle needs to be pierced with a knife closer to the neck. Then this part needs to be cut off. Next, the top of the bottle needs to be cut into a semicircle like this. Trim the edges so they are not too sharp. Well, now the most interesting thing is how you can use such a bottle in a washing machine. All washing machines have a decorative hatch or panel at the front, behind which is the drain pump filter. For those who don't know, it needs to be cleaned from time to time. In my case, it's a rectangular hatch. I open it, and while the washing machine is on the floor, I better take it off, because it will get in the way. This plastic part is attached to these clamps. It comes off very easily. In order to clean this filter, you need to unscrew the lid. And when you unscrew it, water will start pouring out of the washing machine. 1, maybe 2 liters will pour out. And the biggest disadvantage here is that usually some amount of water always spills on the floor. This is where a plastic bottle will help us. Place it under the filter and unscrew it a little. It unscrews counterclockwise. The water that remains in the washing machine will start flowing out of the filter. And the most important thing is that it will not flow onto the floor, but directly into the bottle. To prevent the water from spilling out of the bottle, I drain it several times. I screw the filter. I pour out the water. Then I put the bottle under the filter again and continue draining. If your washing machine has a special tube for emergency water draining, it is better to use it. But unfortunately, not all models of washing machines have it. As you can see, I do not have it, so it is better to use a bottle. When you notice that the water has stopped flowing, completely unscrew the drain pump filter and rinse it under warm water. If it is very dirty, you can clean it with a brush. Just wipe this part of the washing machine with a dry cloth. When you have washed everything, screw the clean filter back into place and put on the decorative panel. Look, not a drop of water has spilled past. You don't need to wipe anything, it is absolutely dry around and under the washing machine. This is how, friends, you can use a bottle to drain the water from the washing machine and clean the drain pump filter. If you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.